Stop scrolling. If your laptop is plugged in but not charging, this video can save you money and time. I am a technician, and these fixes are used daily in real repair work. Laptop says plugged in, but battery not charging. You think the battery is dead, but in most cases it is not. Let us start step by step. First, check the charger and power source. Always use the original adapter. Third-party chargers often give incorrect voltage. Check the charging pin carefully. If it feels loose, overheated, or bent, charging will fail. Try another wall socket. Avoid extension boards and cheap power strips. Second, perform a power reset. Shut down the laptop completely, unplug the charger, remove the battery if your model allows it. Press and hold the power button for 30 seconds. This discharges static electricity. Reconnect the battery and charger. Now turn the laptop on. Third, check battery health inside the system. Open Command Prompt as administrator in Windows. Type Power CFG. Yakshan. Battery Report. Press Enter. This shows the real battery capacity. If design capacity is much higher than full charge capacity, the battery is worn out. Fourth, inspect the charging port and motherboard. Dust inside the charging port blocks proper contact. Use a soft brush or compressed air. If charging works only at a certain angle, the DC jack is damaged. This is a hardware issue and needs professional repair. Fifth, update battery and chipset drivers. Open Device Manager, expand batteries. Uninstall Microsoft ACPI Compliant Control Method battery. Restart the laptop. Windows will reinstall it automatically. This fix works in many real cases. Sixth, check BIOS and charging limits. Some brands limit charging to 80% to protect battery health. Enter BIOS by pressing F2, delete, or escape during startup. Disable battery conservation mode if enabled. Seventh, check overheating. High temperature can stop charging for safety. Clean cooling vents. Replace thermal paste if needed. If none of these fixes work, the battery or charging IC chip may be faulty. Do not replace parts blindly. Proper diagnosis saves money. This is TechVibes. Like, share, and subscribe for real technician fixes.